You can depend on me.
One.
Yes, you can. Yeah. You can depend on me. Yeah. I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. Anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. When you need someone around.
Yes, my beautiful people. Bless up in the day. Bless up in the night. Bless up anyone a day in the world. You know, you don't know. You depend on the reasoning corner. They are going to reason about a little thing where we say I go on. Even little thing, you know, because a big thing, me have them thing as just the people them for wise up. You see, because politics time again. Tell your neighbor, tell your friend. Them and look them voting mileage. You see, I come and talk, they look idiot talk. Well, I make my disclaimer, you know. Me not affiliated with none of the political party them. None out of the two of them. The PNP, the JLP. Right now, I live in Jamaica for all of my life. Told me move from out of the country. And I not see no good. I not see what the good way both party I do. So me just say that. That is my disclaimer. Me not come to pick up for none out of the two party. You get what I say? Yeah. But there is something stirring up, and a man, me think say a man I tell him, me don't know if I'm true with him say I tell, you know. I don't know if I'm true with him say I tell, but the facts did it. But before we get into the facts, we just want to go into the video of this person. Hey man, this caption I want to see right now. Caption I want to see. I hate me talk about PNP build no hospital. As I say, me not depend no side of the two party them. Never vote. I've never vote. I will never vote for either one of them. Because it's politics time again. Tell your neighbor, tell your friend. Them and look them voting mileage. But yo, who are going to listen where Mr. Morgan say? You see me? Because right now, me not understand. But me not understand. Where am I get out of? Where am I gonna get out of saying all these things? Tell me the truth. What am I gonna get out of saying all these things? So one time we were listening, and me I go forward back with a video, and we are gonna dice. Just tell me one thing in the comment section, you know. Just big up on the 7 people, all of my beautiful people, them Jamaican, whether in the diaspora, whether in a foreign country, are tune into the Jamaican politics, or politics you call it, you know. But here, so we are going to listen to Mr. Morgan, Mr. Robert Morgan, from the JLP, Jamaica Labour Party. I keep here what I go on there.
So when I hear some people talk about governance and government and this and that, if you were such good government, why you never do it when you were there? PNP never been a hospital in Jamaica. Never been a high school. We built Corna Regional, Boston and Children's Hospital, Near Hospital, Supplement Hospital. Remember, in the 90s and the 2000s, every single night you watch the TV, people are black roads their road bad. You think the way I've seen no man? I'm a 5 word like this. I'm a 10 word like this. That's right. Remember, them calling the 6-star General Fenton Ferguson. He was the MP in St. Thomas Eastern and Vice President Councilling. Why they never been on work with the people of St. Thomas? When I sat and watched Parliament, when we find out the babies were dying, and a man stood up in Parliament and said these were not babies in the real sense. Remember that? Yes. How can you compare that man with Christopher Corna? When the pandemic hit, our Christians here for the vaccine to protect us. Our Christians are building new section hospitals to protect us. Our Christians are employing more doctors and nurses to protect us. If you compare Christopher Corna and Fenton Ferguson, you see Chow and you see Cheese. When we go on a campaign trail, we can tell people everything. PNP can't test you again.
Well, my people, do you hear what I go on there, sir? You hear the politics? I open to hear the politics, you know. You get me? I don't know if I make them a thing a trick on again, you know. You get what I say? A time for people to wake up and rise up, you know. Time for them to wake up and rise up, my people. Them people that play too much politics with you know right now. You get what I say? Because where I say him gone panel Christopher Tufton and back then with the PNP, the two party them say them and try a scapegoat them and use for themselves for escape the people them judgment, but because of the people them now wise up with people. Brothers and sisters, community leaders, mothers and fathers, aunties, wanna rise up now, man. Wanna take back on Jamaica now, man. We could take back on Jamaica from them people, you know, man. We could take back on Jamaica now, man. The history is there, you know. You get what I say? Alright, I want to show you history. We'll go on a little history right now. See? I'll go on a little history trail right now. Because this man no know who am I say. You see me? This man no know what am I say. First one I go forward with. See? First one I go forward with. I go shock you know. This is a shocker. Because this I go show you say them only do this for political mileage. And I tell lie to the people of the country. Jamaicans, a time for you to wake up, you know. If you don't wake up, you know, the country I go way down in a wreck, you know, more than how it a wreck, you know, because the government here are the worst me ever see, you know. The JLP government led by Andrew Onlis, you know, be a corruption and be a money thief, you know. Be a money thief, you know, go on, you know, and people still a bit dieted, you know, because I see the thing them on the internet, you know. You get what I say? I see the thing them on the internet at time for the people them wake up and rise up, you know. We need to start take it to the street, you know, people. You have some of the people them who live over the UK and America, you know. Where them still dieted and them see our country running, you know, them day in our country, you know. And them see our country running, you know. So why wanna still be dieted to a cause where nah benefit uno, nah benefit to the family, nah benefit no one. You see, both party attack about babies, dead babies. What you mean dead baby? Man should be ashamed for come out I come talk about dead baby and who this and oh can't match up to this a man and this a man and what. Oh, no good. But no. You understand? You maybe have some good people who work in the party where have them status for maintain. You understand? You maybe have some good people who did it and want to maintain them status. And now see them in a corruption. Well, we not see them because them not attack. Just see me like the police force, where the police them not talk and them not bring the corrupted them not bring the corrupted police them pan to the forefront and show them up and make them know say yo there is no place for you guys in the police force, no corruption. And that is the same thing with the government. So everything a trickle down from the top, you know. It's a trickle down from the government, you know. That you know for know people. So if there is not a better choice with them two party, yeah, Jamaica go sing. Because me see Mark Golding, I'm not gonna lie to you. Me give Mark Golding a respect in a manner of, in a sense of, him is humble and him calm and him collected.